Okay. We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we will screw up royally sometimes. Understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Over here, I am welcoming Dr. Varsha Kiran Bhosle, Professor and HUD Computer Engineering Department, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technical University, Raigad. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Center of Excellence Computer Science and Engineering CECSE is organizing All India Article Writing Competition, and CECSE is a platform that provides innovative products based on the integration of academics, life skills, and exposure to the computer science. So my first question is, being an advisory board member, why are these genres of ventures major for the computer science and engineering fraternity?
All the journals are very important to share our knowledge, to share our new ideas, innovations in computer science and engineering, and to reach the maximum peoples from students and academics persons to share their knowledge and different ideas in various areas.
Okay. So ma'am, my next question is, how much is the contest favorable for the computer science and engineering community?
Pardon?
I'm saying that how much is the contest favorable for the computer science and engineering community?
All these journals are actually helpful in enhancing the knowledge and skills and new technologies and advanced technologies coming, just like new programming languages coming in the future. So it is important to share all this knowledge with our students and academicians.
Okay. And how can students, academicians, and professionals take the advantage of that CECS?
We can arrange various workshops, conferences, like national level conferences for them, and we bring out the knowledge of this young generation in front of our um, computer science and engineering branch, and we want to motivate our students in various areas to share their views, innovations in various areas.
Okay. And why should people engage in this competition?
People should engage to enhance their knowledge, actually to share their various ideas, and we speed up our research in our country. It is also helpful for our country to do the various to continue our research in various areas and motivate our young generation to share their views and ideas.
Okay. And what is the present day prerequisite for students and professionals to move forward in the computer science and engineering domain?
This fun.
What is the present day prerequisite for students and professionals to move forward in the computer science and engineering domain?
Now, just due to the COVID situation, everything is in online mode. Still, we are conducting. Actually, I am as a working as a head of the computer science and engineering department. So we are motivating our students to do the various projects and including research in the recent areas, various taking various research projects in the current areas, like including COVID 19 situation. So we are motivating our students for doing the research, and they are doing that in a very innovative way, and so I want to motivate them actually to enhance our research.
Okay. Ma'am, last but not the least, how to research and research-based publication in the computer science and engineering domain can be upgraded using CECSE-like platforms.
Uh, we can continue our research in various areas, including by having CECS will provide a platform for our students and academicians and researchers to do their share their views and areas and various innovations in the advanced situation in online mode, and we can share our views, and we can motivate different researchers and academicians to do their research and to continue with their research to help our country to go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.